Hey, what's up, guys? Today I want to talk about a feature in maps that I believe is very underrated, and I believe that a lot of us could get a lot of use out of it. One of them, it's found here whenever we click on avoid, and you could avoid tolls or highways, and I'm sure a lot of people know about that one. But the one that's most interesting to me is the one if you go down here where it says now. When you click on that, it's gonna show you a calendar here, and what it does is that when you click on the date or the time that you want to leave or arrive, it calculates to see what routes you to take and how long it's gonna take depending on traffic pattern at that time. So it kind of learns from the traffic pattern. Let's say that you want to leave at 5 p.m. It's going to show you how long it's going to take you, and usually it's going to be a different time depending on the time. Let's say there's a lot of traffic around 5 p.m. It's going to be a lot longer than if you left at 1 p.m. or if you left tomorrow or on a weekend. It's going to show you different times for that. But now if we go to the arrival, you could choose what time you want to arrive. So then once you click on that and click on done, it's going to tell you when to leave and how long it's going to take you with the traffic and the best route to take. And again, I believe that this is an amazing feature to have, especially if you're going to go out somewhere like on a long road trip. You could go ahead and plan ahead, or not get late to work. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. See ya.